धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। गुरुवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकाय सदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। संसारदुःखजलदस्य पतितस्य काम क्रोधादिनक्रमकृकवलीकृतस्य दुर्वासनस्य निगृहीतस्य निराश्रयस्य चैतन्यचन्द्रममदेहि पदावलम्बम्। चैतन्यचन्द्रममदेहि पदावलम्बम्। जयतां सुतपङ्गुर्मम मन्दमतिर्गति मत्सर्वस्वदाम्भुजो श्रीराधा मदन्मोहन। भक्त्या विहीनाय अपराधलक्ष्ये क्षिप्तश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि तं शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंदा। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। जय श्री भजन वैसे की जय, शिला भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर की जय। नमो भक्ति विनोदाय सच्चिदानंद नामने गौर शक्ति स्वरूपाय रूपानुगावरायते। Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur explains the first verse of Shikshashtak describes the sequence of bhajan. What is the sequence of bhajan? Shraddha, sadhu sang bhajan, bhajan kriya, anarth nivritti. This is sequence. Everything goes by sequence. Bhagavatam says, second canto, third canto, Kram Mukti, Sadhya Mukti. Liberation by Kram, sequence, and Sadhya Mukti, immediately. Also, Rupa Goswami Pad said, Bhakti Sami Sindhu, Apararabdam Papam Kutam Bijam Phalanmukham Kramena Pralanti Vishnu Bhakti Ratmata. When you hear this word Kram, Kram means sequence. In this world, we are going through some prosperous time and hard time. This is because of prarabdha. Okay. But behind prarabdha is aprarabdha, which is waiting. When the reactions of prarabdha will go, means we have to suffer that. Then aprarabdha is there. Behind aprarabdha is bij, the seed of sin, which is only in a seed. It's not sprouted yet. Yeah. Waiting, at a waiting list. When prarabdha, aprarabdha will go, then this seed will come and trouble us. Then Koot. Koot means the heap of seeds waiting for us. How to get rid of this? Kramena pralanti Vishnu bhakti ratmata. Only by performing Krishna bhakti, no other way out. But Kramena, sequential. In a sequence. And he gave example 100 lotus petals and one needle. And someone is telling us to pierce that 100 petals with that needle. How it will go? And how much time will it take? Sadhya, immediately. The petals are so soft. So soft. If you put a needle, you just go immediately through 100 petals. But it will go sequence. It will go sequence. What is the sequence of life? बालस्तावत् क्रीडासक्ता तरुणीतावत् तरुणीरक्ता वृद्धस्तावत् चिन्तामग्ना परब्रह्मपि कोऽपि न भग्ना भज गोविंदम गोविंदम भजम मूढ़मते. श्री शंकराचार्य saying, बालस्तावत् क्रीडासक्ता. Childhood, everyone just want to play with the toys. The toy is only samsar, is only my world. Young age, teenager, attractions. Yuvati, yuvak. For the boy, the girl is attraction. For the girl, the boy is attraction. And only that attraction is life. They have no other concept, no other consideration, but that's only the life. Old age, no attraction. Old age, no toys. What is the fault of old age? Chinta, worries. Sri Shankaracharya, he divided the age in three: childhood, youth, and old age. Childhood, only toys. Youth, attraction. Old age, worries. Par brahmapi kopi na magna. No one think about Par Brahm means Krishna. Rupa Goswami Pad explains, one should pray to Krishna while chanting. Our subject is chanting right now. The first chapter, Bhajan Rasa, is all about chanting. All discussions is about chanting. So if you want to learn to speak about chanting, read first chapter, Bhajan Rasa. You get everything there. All shlokas, all reference, everything. Rupa Goswami Pad say, Yuvati nam yatha yuno cha yuvati yatha. See how Rupa Goswami, who is the associate of Mahaprabhu, and what example he is giving. Oh my Lord, just like a young boy get attracted to a young girl, and young girl get attraction for the young boy. No one tell them to get attracted. It's just spontaneously by seeing. Oh my Lord, when I will have the same spontaneous love for you? When? That what Gurudev told me. When Gurudev stayed at my home, I was a young boy, college boy, and I asked this question to Gurudev secretly. I said, Gurudev, I want to speak to you secretly. No one should hear this. He said, what is the matter? Tell me. Come 4 o'clock. I came Gurudev room. He was in my house. I said, Gurudev, I don't feel like staying at home. I want to join you in your center as brahmachari. This world is not appealing. No taste. No taste. I'm reading my books, my college books, but in those books, I'm seeing that, no, I'm waiting that when I'm going to read Bhagavatam, I'm spending 13, 14 hours for this stupid books. If I spend 14 hours reading Bhagavatam, oh, I will get Krishna in this lifetime. Spending so many hours in learning, and what is the use of this? So I want to join you as Brahmachari, your servant in the center. The Gurudev said, then what is the problem? What is the matter? What do you want to ask? I said, Gurudev, I want to ask, shall I come or shall I not? I don't want to take any immature decision. Gurudev, you are Gurudev, you can give me good advice. Shall I come or shall I not? And Gurudev went forward like this. I still remember this. He was sitting on the bed. Went forward. If you fall in love with some girl, you're going to ask your parents? Gurudev asked. You're a young boy. If you fall in love with some girl, you're going to ask your parents first. You will seek your permission. You have to take your permission from them. Understand? I say, yes, I got the answer. He wanted to say, if you're in love with Krishna, you don't have to ask. Yeah? You don't have to ask. You just come without, even if oppositions are there, you will not care. You will just run wherever your love is. So if you love Krishna, why you have to ask them? Sri Raghunath Das Goswami, he escaped from home. Sri Narottam Thakur ran away. Who can stop them? No one can stop. If really sincerely you are loving Krishna, no one can stop you. But I'm not saying encouraging anyone to do like this. But also try understand all the young ones, kids. Gurudev also used to say, okay, don't take my example and say, oh, you see, and then later say, parents, Maharaj said, Gurudev always used to say, children should have good education. They have to be very serious in studies. This also Gurudev used to say. So just harmonize both lives together. Understand? Otherwise, I'll start getting complaint from the parents. Maharaj, what you teaching our kids? But this Gurudev used to tell. Visiting so many houses, Gurudev used to say, yes, learn. Good. Learning, education, very important. Gurudev himself, he used to send brahmacharis to school to learn. Can you believe this? Krishnadas Prabhu, who left this body, sorry for that, was great singer. He joined Srila Gurudev when he was young boy, 8-year, 10-year boy. And Gurudev used to send him to school. As brahmachari, he used to go to school and learning. So minimum qualification, very important. Anyway, that's not our subject today. Yuvati nanam yatha yunam. Shri Rupa Goswami is saying, oh my Prabhu, just like there is a spontaneous attraction, no one encouraged that attraction. There is spontaneous. Similarly, in the same way, I want to have attraction for you. There should not be any cause in that attraction. Just that I like you, just like I love you. And I want to worship you. I want to serve you, I mean to say. That's only my request is. And he gave example of young boy, young girl to fit. The best example, this, spontaneous attraction between them. Similarly, he took this simple material example, but wants to explain something high. So, balas tavat kida sakta, taruni tavat taruni rakta, vriddhas tavat chinta magna. No one worship Krishna, Par Brahm, the Supreme Lord. Every age get entangled in their own nature of that age. And the spiritual philosophy starts with Athato Brahma Jigyasa. Who is Bhagavan? Who am I? What is my relationship with him? What is the connection link between me and Bhagwan? So, inquiry about this, the beginning of spiritual life, the inquiry. Okay. Therefore, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, the sequence of bhajan is in the first verse of Shikshashtra. First, the mirror-like heart is cleansed by the chanting of the holy name. What is the first verse? Those who knows, all together. Cheto darpana marjanam bhavamaha davagne nirvapanam Shreya Kervika Chandrika Vitranam Vidyavadu Jivanam Anandam Buddhi Vardhanam Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadanam Sarvatma Sanapanam Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam. So every shloka has this meter to sing, to recite. So I don't know Sanskrit. I never learned Sanskrit, only 2-3 years in my school days. But those who really know Sanskrit, they know what meter to use in which shloka. But this shlok, first verse of Shiksha goes like this. So whenever anyone asks you, your Gurudev, anyone asks you to say this, so sing like this. Cheto darpana marjanam bhavamaha davagne nirvapanam Shreya Kervika Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadu Jivanam Anandam Buddhi Vardhanam Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadanam Sarvatama Sanapanam Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam. Understand? Let there be. And this same melody, same meter will go for the first verse of Bhagavatam. Janmadasya yataha yanvaya iteret charteshu abhigya swara. No, there is some other melody. I'll let you know. Let there be supreme victory for the chanting of the holy name of Shri Krishna. Vijay. Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam. Vijayate means victory for the chanting of holy name of Shri Krishna. Why victory? Now, what are the effects of that chanting coming in a sequence? First of all, what will happen? The very first thing happen is, which cleanses the mirror of the heart and completely extinguish the blazing forest fire of material existence. First of all, cleanse the mirror of the heart. That's why any person who joined full time his life in the center, you know what the first service they get? Cleaning. Cleaning pots, dishes, cleaning, brooming, mopping, etc. When I was in ISKCON, I saw this. Anyone come to Mutt, join? Same thing. Srila Gurudev, when he joined Param Gurudev, same service. Srila Bhaktivedanta Vaman Goswami Maharaj, when he joined this service. For them it is not important, but then they have to show us. I mean, they are showing us. Not that they have to show us, but they are showing us with their compassion. Cleaning. While we do this cleaning, more and more we clean, more and more the mirror of the heart get clean. And what will happen then? We can see our image. You go to your bathroom or your dressing room, the mirror is full of dust. You can't see yourself. What you do? Wipe it. When you wipe it, what happens? You can see yourself, how you look like. Similarly, We are not able to see ourselves. Who are we? Ke ame? Keno ama jai tap trai? Who am I? In spiritual world, this question is worth of praise. Who am I? If you ask this question in the street, in Europe and America, they say you're a foolish person. Little off. Today's off. You're off. Yeah, excuse me, sir. Yes. Who am I? Oh, you're off. Crazy. The same question in spiritual world. Aha. Who am I? You ask this question. You are sadhu. And also learn this. There's an exclamation remark. You understand this? Like, suppose in school, they announce from tomorrow, lockdown, no more school. What do you all boys and girls say? Yay! Yeah? At office, okay, 1 month, no office. Yay! Excitement. Similarly, when you are in assembly, hearing Harikatha, and something really very subtle point comes up which appeals, we also have to glorify that sadhu who's speaking this. And how we have to say this? What is the send? What is the system? Saying sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. That's the word of saying yay in Harikatha. Sadhu, sadhu. Understand? If you say this, the person who's speaking get encouragement. Yeah. So this is how they say sadhu, sadhu. So who am I? I know everything about myself, but I don't know who am I because I can't see myself. My mirror is dirty. My vision is dirty. The vision is dirty. Brahmaji, he looked at his daughter. Brahma, his father. But he was creating, he looked at his daughter. And he was looking at his daughter. But then the 6 sons of Brahma, they saw Brahma with a different vision, sinful vision, saying that, Brahma, father, you looking your daughter like this? It's not appropriate. And Brahmaji cursed them. You foolish boys, this is what you're thinking? So foolish? I curse you. You'll not get liberated unless you get killed by a demon. Therefore, they were moving in this many lifetimes. Finally, got killed by Kamsa, the 6 sons of Devaki, killed by Kamsa, and then they got liberated. They didn't understood why Brahma is looking at his daughter. Their vision seeing that, the mundane vision, and it's just a matter of vision and concept. If my vision is clean, even I see dirty thing to be nice. If my vision is bad, I will see nice thing to be dirty. Crow always look for flesh. Crow look for garbage. Eagle look for flesh. Pigeon always look for she-pigeon. Always. This is what their movement is. It's just a vision. So I'm not understanding who am I because the mirror is dirty. While taking shelter of Harinam, the mirror clean. then we can see ourselves. Oh, now I understand who am I. I'm understanding. I am this soul. जीवे स्वरूप है कृष्णेर नित्यदास कृष्ण तटस्थ शक्ति भेदा भेद प्रकाश. I am the servant of Krishna. Somebody asked me a question. Then we heard Krishna Prem is the inherent in all the souls. Understand? Krishna Prem is inherent in all the souls, but in a dormant state. You understand dormant state? In a dormant state. Then what Guru gives to disciple? Just when we say, Brahman Brahmite Kaun Bhagyavan Jeev, Guru Krishna Prasade Paye Bhakti Lata Bij. Guru gives, implant the seed of bhakti in the heart of disciple. What is that seed? So if we say Gurudev is giving the seed of Krishna Prem, but no, Krishna Prem is already traveling with the nature, with the soul. When the soul got its existence, Krishna Prem is inherent nature, never leaves the soul, but in a dormant state. To awaken that Krishna Prem is whole idea about practice. To awaken that Krishna Prem. That's why I need to sadhan, practice. And gradually it's awakening from a dormant to awakened state. So what is the role of Gurudev? You understand my question? Okay, who is going to answer my question? Okay, my question to Yadava. My question is, Guru implants the seed in the heart, the seed of bhakti. But soul already have this Krishna Prem in the heart. So what seed Gurudev plants in the heart?
He plants the seed of transcendental knowledge so that we can know that we are eternal servants of Krishna, because we have forgotten that we are eternal servants of Krishna. We are, but we have forgotten. So he gives us Diksha, transcendental instruction. So he gives us this knowledge that we are his servants, and then we can serve Krishna.
Very close to the point what I want to say. Very close. Gracias. Gracias. Okay, Ananta Krishna? No. Okay. Wait. Jayashri? Jayashri?
Which Jayashri?
Which is Jayashri? There is only one Jayashri.
No, there's two.
Two?
They unmute me, but I think that it's not me.
Hare Krishna, Guru Maharaj. Do you mean me?
No, wait a minute. Who's another Jayashri now? Who's another Jayashri?
I'm Jayashri.
I'm Jayashri. From which country?
From Costa Rica.
Costa Rica. Okay, can you answer?
No.
Oh yes, Jayashri, you're the translator. Oh my God.
Yes.
Yes. You know the answer?
I think that I don't know. I don't know more than the other devotees said.
Okay. So let me ask Jayashri Germany then.
Okay.
Gracias.
Krishna, Guru Maharaj. I'm also not sure, but I heard that Guru Dev plants also the knowledge about our spiritual form in our heart. I heard that he I'm not sure, but I heard that he plants like our spiritual svarup in our heart, what we are in the spiritual world.
That's
Like
already
I
there.
heard. Okay, I just heard it that if
Soul already have Krishna Prem. That's the
okay.
inherent nature of soul. But it's dormant. But Krishna Prem is there.
Okay.
The seed of Krishna Prem is already there. But what Gurudev gives? This is my question. Dankeshwan. Radha Sundari.
Dandavat Pranam Maharaj. I think I've heard that Gurudev plants the desire to serve Krishna in the heart, so he will
Right.
form this of bhakti and then.
Yes. Dankeval. What Gurudev gives initiation is Vasna, the desire. What desire? The loving service of Krishna. The desire. That called awakening of that love means that desire. He gives that mood of desiring, the eagerness to serve Krishna. That's the seed Gurudev implant in the heart. Okay. So that's why equally both are worshipable. Because Diksha Guru gives Diksha, mantras. And Shiksha Guru with his Shiksha, with his teaching and Harikatha, he encouraged the disciple. Evoking that desire. That's the seed Gurudev gives. Srila Gurudev used to tell this in his lectures. Krishna Seva Rupi Vasana. Because to attain Krishna is not the goal of life. I was telling this morning in Hindi class. One sadhu, very senior sannyasi, he said, the practice is so high, means chanting Harinam. That Harinam, that holy name, which is superior than Krishna. Practice is so high, and attaining Krishna, which is so simple, that even demons get Krishna by getting killed by Krishna, even they attain Krishna. Even demons attain Krishna by just getting opposed to Krishna, and they get killed by Krishna, and they get Krishna. Understand? Practice is so high, and asking for small thing, Krishna? No. What is the aim? What is the goal of practice? Aim and object of practice is to attain Krishna, service of Krishna, not Krishna. Chaitanya Charitamrita say Krishna Prema Prayojan. Krishna is not Prayojan, the goal. Krishna Prema is Prayojan. And desire to attain that Krishna Prema is the seed which Gurudev gives in the heart. Diksha Kale Bhakta Kore Atma Samarpan. That's the seed. That's the science. So when the seed is there and person starts chanting, then very first thing happen is cleaning the mirror like heart. To first of all realize who am I. That's the first step. That's the sequence. When the mirror of the heart clean, then vision change. Perceiving the dealings, perceiving the world with a different vision. Okay, what is the nature of Mahabharata? Mahabharata, Uttam Adhikari, he sees everyone serving Krishna. Really? I don't see this. I see no one serving Krishna. They are all against Krishna. But Mahabharata sees everyone serving Krishna. Only I am the one who is not serving Krishna. Mahabharata thinks like, I saw my Guru Maharaj. Oh, he was like this. Everyone serving Krishna, and crying and crying like a child and saying, only I am the one who's not serving Krishna. When the day we come in my life, I will also develop prem for Krishna. Everyone, all of you serving Krishna so much. The world is same. The vision is different. How they are saying that everyone serving Krishna, they have their own philosophy, they have their own vision. Service. But when Uttam Adhikari comes to the level of Madhyam Adhikari, then he acts with a different vision. What is that vision? Prem, Maitri, Kripa, Peksha, Ja Karotu Sa Madhyam Adhikari. Prem, love for Krishna, friendship with God brothers, compassion for those who are against, for those who are junior, and neglecting those who are against Krishna. 4 relationship develop. That's why Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada used to say, these scientists, they are rascals. He's Uttamadhikari, but for preaching, one has to come down to the level of Madhyamadhikar to distinguish. On Uttamadhikar, no distinguishing. Everyone serving Krishna. How preaching can be possible then? But same Uttam Adhikari comes to the level of Madhyam Adhikari. He remains Uttam, but level is Madhyam. And from that vision, he sees things. It's just like, a building with 22 floor, 22-story building. What you see from the roof, you see down. You can only see the important, like big things, big objects, but you can't see. You see everything is same, all equal. Everything looks equal from the top. When you come down, let's say 8th floor, 5th floor. Oh, this car is big. That car is small. This land is high. That land is low. From up, everything looks one. When you see on airplanes, on a flight, what do you see? You see down, everything looks one, same level. When plane come down from 35,000 feet high, everything looks equal. And when the landing comes, then you see, yes, up and down. That's the level. That's the vision. Same material world, vision change. Cheto darpan marjan. The concept change, the vision change. When the mirror of the heart clean in that proportion, one see the world accordingly. Everyone serve Krishna. That's Uttamadhikari. But when Uttamadhikari comes to Madhyam, the level change. And Kanishtadhikari, he's in his own world. Kanishta is own world. Saying only I am serving Krishna, no one else serves Krishna. That's totally different level. So we should not get confused. It's just the perception of world with different vision from different levels. Now we heard Kanishta, Madhyama, Uttam, but there are many details in that. Then there is Kanishta, then there is Kanishta Madhyam, then there is Kanishta Uttam. Then there is Madhyam Kanishta, Madhyam, Madhyam Uttam. And even in Uttam, Uttam Kanishta, Uttam Madhyam and Uttam Uttam. Nirdhut Kashay, Murchit Kashay, Bhagavad Prapta Dev. Who's saying this? Rupa Goswami Pad, Bhakti Swami Sindhu Bindu. Naraji in his previous life as son of maid servant, Uttam but Kanishta. One gradation of Uttam. Higher than that, Uttam Madhyam, Shukdev Goswami. Higher than that, Uttam, the topmost, Naraji. Not that previous Naraji. The Naraji now who is associate of the Lord, who's always carrying his Veena and chanting, Narad Muni Bajai Veena, Radhika Ramana Ramari. You know? So details. Even 3 levels have 3 other levels. And they see everything according to their vision. Naraji in that sadhaka form, he is explaining, when I got this remnant from those sadhus, Uchishta Lepan Anumodita Duja, the bhakti came manifested in my heart. And I received mantra from those sadhus when they were leaving. And I went to the forest. I don't want to get any attachment in this world. Only attachment is my mother. Oh Krishna, why this attachment is there? Mother died. Naraji, entering in the dense forest, chanting those mantras in the aerial voice, Akashvani, Hantasmi Janama Mama Dushtamaharti, Avipakka Shayanam Durdosham Ko Yoginam. Narad, your yoga is not complete yet. I've given you darshan just for a second, for a moment. But you will not get my darshan anymore because your yoga is not complete. In your next birth, you will become my associate. Then you can have my darshan. That's one vision, Naraji, receiving mantras. But Naraji, in his spiritual form, as associate, he is giving mantras to Dhruv, to Prahlad, to many others. Same personality, different level. Understand? So it's not that one line or one scene we see and okay, that's the conclusion. No, there are so many details in that. See from the glasses of scriptures. That's why Bhakti Thakur is explaining us. Cheto darpan marjanam. In that proportion, the mirror of heart will clean, the perception change proportionately in that same manner. And then simultaneously what happening? Bhav Mahadavagni Nirvapanam. Completely extinguish the blazing forest fire of material existence. In other words, Rupa Goswami already mentioned this. Klesh Agni Shubda. Material forest fire. So difficult to control. It happened in California this year. So much fire, and they're trying to extinguish that fire with putting sand and water, etc. So hard. This happens with Krishna Sankirtan. So till now, this level, what's happening? Cleansing process is going on. Cleaning of the heart, and then extinguishing blazing forest fire of material existence, that is prarabdhas. Aprarabdhas. They are getting burned. Example is given, just like in a forest fire, snakes and other animals, they just die. There's no way to escape. Where they will go? Fire everywhere. They burn, they die there. Similarly, Krishna Nam Sankirtan Cheto Darpan Marjanam. With this Krishna Nam Sankirtan, the aprarabdhas, they destroy. burn. No room to escape. Where they will go, there's fire everywhere. Other sense, I'm saying. Yeah. So this holy name extinguishes the blazing forest fire of material existence. It's happening simultaneously. This is one step. Everything is going sequential. Then Shri Krishna Sankirtan diffuses the moon rays of Bhav. Shreya Kervika Chandrika Vitranam. Very soon, Purnima is coming. Just after 2-3 days. Full moon and the Chandrika, the rays of moon, gives soothing effect for those who are burning in the heat. So very first thing is the negativity goes away. Something heavy comes to the heart and negativity goes out. Gurudev used to give an example. 1 cup with black oil, or we can say black paint, and you have unlimited supply of milk. How you get to take out the black oil or paint from the cup without throwing away? One process is just take the cup and throw the black paint out. Is that simple? Another process is just pour milk in that cup. That's what Krishna is saying. Sarva dharman paritajye mamekam sharanam raja. Just give up everything. Throw that milk, throw that black paint. But it's so difficult to throw. We are not able to throw that from so many lifetimes. That black thing. We are not able to throw that. We are attached to this. And Krishna said, offer me this. I have plenty of wealth. Don't give me wealth. I have plenty of beauty. Don't attract me with your beauty. I have so much knowledge. So don't try to show off your knowledge. And don't try to show off your renunciation. No one can be more renunciate than me. Don't offer these things to me. Offer what you have and what I don't have. Oh Krishna, what is that which we have and you don't have? Krishna said, yes, that's what I want from you. I don't have lust, I don't have anger, I don't have greed, I don't have enviousness. Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Matsarya. I don't have this. You have this. Give me. Offer to me. How to offer? Krishna, take shelter of Narottam Thakur. He will explain you. And Narottam Das Thakur, Aha Prabhu karo daya, deho more pada chaya. Oh Narottam Thakur, karo daya. I'm taking shelter of your lotus feet. Can you explain me, Prabhu, how to engage my Kam, Krodh, Lobh? Krishna is asking this. He said he has everything else. We don't have this. And we have in abundance, stored house full of. So Narottam Thakur said, okay, if you're asking this, I can tell you. Kam, Krishna, Karmar, Pane, Krodh, Bhakti, Dvesha, Jane, Lobh, Sadhu, Sange, Hari Katha, Mad, Isht, Labbe, Jane, Niyukt, Karibe, Jatha, Tatha. Narottam Thakur is saying, Kam, Krishna, Karma, Arpane. Engage your kamana, your desires, in align with the desire to serve Krishna. Engage your kamana, your desires in the desire for Krishna. Krodh, Bhakt, Dvesha, Jane. You have so much anger, then show your anger to those who are against Guru and Vaishnava and Hari. Show anger to them. You are engaging your anger in the service of the Lord. Lobha sadhu sange hari katha. You are greedy? Yes, I'm very much greedy. Engage your greed. Where? Sadhu sange hari katha. To hear hari katha from sadhus. Don't feel satisfied. Always feel unsatisfied. Swadu swadu pade pade. Drink more, drink more, drink more, drink more. Oh, I want to drink more. You have supply? Oh, unlimited supply. Ocean. Can you drink ocean? There's ocean of Hari Katha. Be greedy. Drink more, drink more, drink more, drink more. How long can I drink? Till what stage? Till what stage? Muhu raho rasika bhuvi bhavaka. Keep drinking. Muhu raho rasika bhuvi bhavaka. Till the stage of bhav. Keep on drinking. Unless you faint. Murcha. Even if you faint, keep on telling, give me more, give me more, give me more. When I was hearing one lecture, Srila Van Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Hriday Van Goswami Maharaj, prominent disciple of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, when he joined Math, Srila Prabhupada said, no, he said, Gurudev, what is my service? Prabhupada said, just hear Hari Katha. As much as you can. And Srila Prabhupada continuously 3 days non-stop Hari Katha, and he was hearing that Hari Katha. They have supply. Ananta supply. Unlimited. So pan karo. Swadu swadu pade pade. Purna amrita swadanam. Drink this, drink this. Muho raho rasika bhogi bhavaka. Don't stop drinking this. In any state, just drink this. So, Lobha Sadhu Sange Hari Katha. The 4 Kumaras, Sanak, Sanatan, Sanat Kumar, 5-year young boys, always remain in this age. They take bath in Mandakini, Ganga, and with their wet long hairs, they just come to Shesh Bhagavan and hear Hari Katha. Oh, why not drying your hairs? With wet hairs, you coming to hear Hari Katha? Yes, because there is no time to dry. You dry your hair, right? With a machine. 4 Kumaras said, we have no time to dry hairs. Because the moment it will take time to dry hair, so much katha will be spoken by them with Shesh Bhagavan, with thousands of his hoods. Lobha sadhu sange hari katha. Mad ishta labbe jane. To engage mad in Ishta means our worshipable. How to attain them? How to attain him? Niyukta karibe jata tatha. Apply this, calm, krodh, lobh. But there is no space for enviousness. Narottam Thakur is saying, no room for enviousness. In bhakti, nirmastaranam satam. Sadhura nirmastar, without any envy. There is no room of envy. Our envious cannot be engaged in the service of Krishna. There's something which is so abominable. So let us keep it here for today. I have one meeting. Cheto darpan marjanam bhava madavagni nirvapan. This too happens. When? Oh, the day when we'll say, Krishna, Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam. All glories to your Sankirtan. All glories to your Sankirtanam. I want Krishna, you can have victory over my heart. Please conquer my heart. I'm helpless. Please, with your strength, with your compassion of your strength, conquer my heart and be victory. And this can only happen by Krishna Sankirtanam. One more time, all together, this shlok. Cheto darpanamarjanam bhavamaha davagni nirvapanam Shreya Kervika Chandrika Vitranam Vidyavadu Jivanam Anandam Buddhi Vardhanam Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadanam Sarvatma Sanapanam Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam. श्रील भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर की जय, श्री कार्तिक मास की जय, श्री दामोदर व्रत की जय, वो मंगल हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय। निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। Thank you so much. There's one announcement.